Do you have a dirty carpet? Have you tried to clean it yourself and failed miserably? Are you tired of staring at the stains in the dirt? Or perhaps you're trapped in an endless battle with pet stains. When it comes to finding a professional carpet cleaning service, you don't want to trust the job to just anyone. When it's your home or your business, you need to make sure that you're dealing with a carpet cleaning service that has the knowledge and experience to get the job done quickly and effectively. We would love to help you. Whether your carpet cleaning needs are large or small, you deserve a carpet cleaning service that is professional, polite, punctual, and effective. One that is committed towards saving you time and money and doing a beautiful job. We will assess your carpet cleaning needs quickly, tell you the cost, and get the job done right. We take a great deal of pride in our work and would love to improve the look of your home or business. Contact us today. You can reach us by following the directions on this page. We look forward to hearing from you.